Nokia is all set to shake up the mobile market once again. According to the latest buzz, Nokia is gearing up to launch an absolute beast of a smartphone. Leaks suggest that this stunning device will come with a 5-camera setup, headlined by a jaw-dropping 144-megapixel primary sensor. Yes, you heard that right, we're talking about the Nokia Maze Pro Lite 5G. And the best part, it's expected to be super affordable. If you're excited about this phone, make sure to watch this video till the end, because today we're diving deep into its fully leaked specs, price, and launch date. So let's start. Nokia Maze Pro Lite 5G features. As per leaks, this smartphone will pack a massive 6.85-inch Full HD+ Super AMOLED display, with an ultra-smooth 144 Hz refresh rate. But that's not all, it's also come with 390 Hz touch sampling rate, in-display fingerprint sensor, IP68 rating, and Corning Gorilla Glass 7 protection. Camera setup. When it comes to cameras, the Nokia Maze Pro Lite 5G is a monster. On the back, you'll find a penta-camera setup, with the 144-megapixel primary sensor, featuring OIS for ultra-sharp shots. The remaining 4 sensors include 32-megapixel, 16-megapixel, 8-megapixel, and 5-megapixel, and for selfie lovers, a massive 50-megapixel front camera is expected to deliver stunning selfies. Performance. Under the hood, this beast is rumored to run on Android 15 straight out of the box, and powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, ensuring blazing fast performance for gaming and multitasking. Battery backup. Fueling this powerhouse is a huge 7500 mAh battery, and guess what? It might support 120-watt fast charging via USB Type-C, meaning you can juice up in no time. Price and launch date. If rumors are to be believed, the Nokia Maze Pro Lite 5G could be priced around $500 in global markets, making it a steal deal for the specs it offers. As for the launch, it might hit the shelves in just a few months.